Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the Scipy library in Python on Mac. We'll do a clean installation by first creating a Python project folder. Then we are going to create a virtual environment within it. And after activating that virtual environment, we will be installing the Scipy library. But before we begin the installation, let me show you which version of Python I am using. That means in which version of Python I'll be installing the Scipy library. The command to check the Python version installed on your Mac is python 3 hyphen hyphen version. When we hit enter, it displays the version installed on your Mac. You can see Python 3.13.5 is installed on my Mac. Now we are going to create a Python project folder. I am going to create that folder on my desktop. You can choose to create it wherever you want. So I'm going to be using the cd command to get inside my desktop. Over here, I'm going to use the mkdir command to create the Python project folder, which I am going to name as scipy underscore install. And you can see a folder in the name of scipy underscore install has been created on my desktop. We are going to go inside this scipy underscore install folder now. And over here, we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. And the command to create a Python virtual environment is python v-mvenv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's give scipy underscore venv as the name of the virtual environment. We hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created, which we are going to check using the ls-l command. Good, it hasn't thrown any error. Now let's check its successful creation using the ls-l command. There you go, scipy underscore pnv has been successfully created. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment, which we are going to do using the command source space scipy underscore venv /pin/activate. We hit enter and you can see scipy underscore pnv has become active. Now finally we are going to install the scipy library using the command pip install scipy. We hit enter and you can see the installation has begun. I am so glad to see this successfully installed Numpy and Scipy message. Actually, Numpy also got installed along with Scipy, but our purpose has been fulfilled. Now we are going to test its installation. To do that, we are going to start a Python prompt using the command python 3. There you go. The prompt has started. Over here, we are going to import Scipy. And if this import is successful, then we can say that we have successfully installed Scipy library in our virtual environment. Good, the execution of this import statement is successful. Let's do one more test. Let's write scipy dot double underscore version double underscore and enclose this code within the print function like this. And it's going to display the version of the Scipy library that we have installed. And it should match the version that is appearing over here, which is 1.16.0. Let's test it out. There you go. 1.16.0, it has displayed. This also proves that we have successfully installed the Scipy library in the virtual environment we just created. One final thing that we are going to do is deactivate the virtual environment. The command is very simple. You just have to write deactivate. And there you go. Your virtual environment has deactivated now. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Scipy library in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.